The wheel, one of humanity's greatest inventions. But stop for a moment and think. How did early humans, with barely any perfect circles in nature, imagine and create such a shape? No one taught them, yet they thought, they tried, and they invented. It wasn't just a tool, it was the beginning of civilization. Perfect circles are rare in nature. The sun, the moon, the rings of a tree. But it was humans who first gave this form a purpose. They observed, then they mimicked. Survival required not just strength, but thought. And the circle had begun to awaken in the mind. The first wheel wasn't an invention, it was a necessity. Heavy stones, burdens too big to carry. Humans needed a way to move them. They placed round logs underneath, and the load rolled easier. And at that moment, an idea sparked. To move something, make it roll. The wheel was no longer just a need, it was a thought. Around 3500 BCE, Mesopotamia, the first wheel wasn't on a cart, it was under a potter's hands. A spinning wooden disc shaped the clay. This was the first moment humans controlled a perfect circle. Later, the idea was adapted to transport. The wheel was fixed to an axle, a body added, and the cart was born. Wars changed, trade routes expanded, societies grew. The wheel became the moment civilization accelerated. It didn't stay in Mesopotamia, in China, India, Europe. The wheel was reinvented. It marked the moment humans mastered movement. The wisdom of the circle spread across the earth. Over time, the wheel became more than a tool. The wheel of life, the Dharma wheel, the cycle of fate. The wheel guided not only movement, but the spirit. Today, cars, planes, rovers on Mars, all are descendants of that first circle. The wheel is not just the foundation of the past, but of the future.